back next year. So thank you to each and every one of you. The plan now is that we are going to play the final. Martin will announce the finalist, but we will be joined within any time now, because he wants to come and watch the final, by one of the entertainments team, which this year will be Brian Graves, who you may have seen on the stage over the weekend. Classically, he is the one who sings opera, extremely good voice, but he won't be singing, he'll just be saying a few thank yous, and he'll be presenting the prizes to those semi-finalists and finalists. So Brian will be with us to do that. Other than that, all we can do now is say thank you for your support. I'll hand you over to Martin and we will introduce the final.
And thank you from me as well. The final of the pairs at Potters this year. Team number 1, which means they're defending champions. Team number 1, Michael Layden of Sunderland and Neil Jolly of Brockley. And they'll be playing black. And in the brown corner, Neil Tuckey and David Danby from Browing, I think is the name.
Still a draw round your first one, though. Bit over, sorry.
Sorry, Mia. Just trying to get the piercing out.
Two more. Yeah, between black and brown. Good height.
Yeah, well done. Stick round up for it. I think that's your shot, yeah. There's a good distance between that and yours. on the high side and black. The area. Yeah, very good. Sit it down. That's better. Well done.
Following that one in.
Yeah.
Very unlucky.
You need to put one in front here. Yeah. Good one again, pal. Getting the help, are you? Well, let's move the gap tighter.
Brown up on the other hand, whatever.
Yeah, that will work. Or the braid up on this hand, either way.
Come in a minute. Have you got two then? Yeah, got one. There is a gap there. If you hit the short throw, I can't see it coming in there. Even if you get an edge, that'll be a big result. Clear that one, that one. A bit quick on that side, so. Arrive, I should see how many. All right, mate, not to worry. First dead, got to get the piercing young.
Brown up or
Braid up, I think it's this.
gas.
Braid up again.
Yeah.
Cut it down to one.
Yeah, we're only down to one, mate. Don't worry about the plant. The plant misses the shot. You just got to scrape off them two and snake in. If you get an angle and move the jack there, it's worth four. With controlled draw. Alright, not to worry, mate. Yep, one black. Took you, mate. You through there. Stop. Yeah, well played. Lovely start. Well done.
Good reply.
Last, yeah, brown in. No change to your shot before. Sorry, mate.
Change my hand.
Yeah. Yeah, try and rest on the black. Yeah, good hope. Well done.
Stand there. Yeah, yeah. Pace is good. Yeah, well done. Yeah, well played.
Good. Yeah, still looking to rest on the two black.
Up there, sorry.
Don't need to change much. Still quick in it. It's just hanging a bit, that's all. It's okay. Well done.
Yeah, even if you're sitting on this one, it's beautiful. Good play.
Even if you get tight and you got to slide off the brown divs, just roll up, you'll straighten it up onto the brown. It's either that or it's a perfect draw. Yeah, I would say that's a shot I would probably go with. Yeah, I like this. I like this a lot. Finish. 1, 2. Up, there we go. There you go. Well done.
Yeah, I mean, even if I'm in here, I might be able to slide the black out. So
But if you hit that rail, it moves it out of the way.
round or outside, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, good shot.
Go on the Jackson. Sit on top of it if you can. I'm not sure. I think you're off.
Right, then draw the backhand.
Yeah, dead draw, backhand. Unlucky.
I'll be tempted to go this gap, even if you touch that brown, I can't see you give the shot away. Or you take a chance and try and scrape underneath, but
Yeah, that's staying quite straight down there, isn't it? So
yeah, I'll be tempted to get the tight line and come in here, nudge that black into it, you know, stop him from bringing it forward. You got enough weight on the hand? Yeah, you have. Spend on. Didn't do anything, did it?
That's the shot. Looking to play the black.
Just the inside of my last word.
Yeah, inside of that last wood.
Hold on, mate. That's a slight L.
didn't feel
I'm
like,
not. I wasn't too sure.
didn't feel like mine was overweight. But
Yeah, it didn't
black,
land.
if I get it right, the black will.
Yeah. I mean, unless you would have to hit that black really hard, or even if you hit the jack, the black would probably still be shot.
I think it is the same shot again. Try and slide that
Yeah,
way.
absolutely. Bend on. And a nudge. Here we go. Oh, mate, I pressed it again.
Well, I think you're playing this. Second shot, 2 seconds. Yeah, move that over. We've got a brain.
It's not.
Yep.
Can't see anything else.
Yeah, so that's your shot.
Yeah, just got to try and skirt that short brown. See if I can just tap the brown, yeah?
Yep.
Yeah.
Unlucky. One black.
Line. Yeah, well done. Yeah, nice effort on the line.
Shot, Mickey.
Yeah, well done. Good play.
Simple enough.
It's close, but
Just change me
it's
on.
up to you. Yeah, it's entirely up to you.
Yeah, look like. Shot.
Effort, buddy. Come on, down. Yeah, well played.
Well, the gap's still there. You could try the same word as your last one.
Same again, do you think?
Yeah, you play the same again and try to dodge your black. Good.
My black's not touching, no?
No, there's a gap. So we're looking at the black. Might be a bit higher.
Yeah, it's too short as well. Sorry, mate.
That's okay. Not the worst.
Yeah, it's taking a hand away. So yeah, just tighten it up a little. Even if you move the short brown out, tighten your line a little.
I was trying to get short there.
That's about the worst that could have happened.
I would leave that out.
Yeah. We don't want to be poking it out, do we?
No. Having said that, why don't you feel, well, I know what you're saying. I don't, even if you get out drawing the back of these blacks, off there, anything between this brown and the back of them blacks would be not a bad result for start. Go on with that, and then we'll go from there. Face this side, you may have the line, you look a bit short to be fair. Not a daft one, mate.
That was a
Good thinking, Neil.
unbelievable, that one. That was a shot.
Might still get some guy there.
Yeah. Go for it.
I don't think there's a draw on the other side.
No, go for it.
You can see what he's after, mate. Not really, because they haven't got a shot on the other hand. But personally, I would probably either try to draw. I mean, if you're confident dropping it just past the head, at the jack, or you're drawing and nudging the outside black in, and then falling on the belly if you can. Might get round it with that way, like this.
Got to play that gap then.
Yeah.
Yeah, good shot.
To be fair, we have got a black here. I'll be tempted to play this, either hit the brown here, or you're trying to, if you're covering your weight, you're just snaking the jack around this area here. Well, it's certainly going to be a nuisance if nothing else. That's as good as anything for now.
So try and then draw around that.
Mine would be inside it. If you hit this brown, black is parallel to the black.
Brown onto black.
Yeah. And then we'll be holding two. Get that?
I've just fired, so I probably can't draw anyway.
No, so
So try it inside.
inside that black,
Yeah.
inside it.
I'll be confident just to draw on the outside of your black and get us another point in. I'd like to see your eye with the way it'll hold the line, I think. I think we'll hold it there, that's brilliant. Yeah, very good, very good.
Not in the count.
Still brown up then.
Still Sterling one. So you're looking for that brown up. You haven't got to be that heavy. It's as heavy as the last one.
Yeah, two black. do you?
Well, replace the brown.
Right, might leave me off the top that, sorry there.
Alright.
Trying to get it back with it.
Okay.
Sorry.
That's a better line. Nice shot.
Good 16.
Where you see it? Go play it.
And wait.
Nine. Oh, the opposite mistake.
Yeah, ideally just try and tap the brown behind the jack. Nice shot.
Quick one in there.
Yeah,
One in there, mate.
draw it in. You're all good.
Sorry, Neil. That's about it. Sorry, mate. Draw again. Just looking for the brown on the line. Yeah, good end. Full ball. Down the jack. Got it.
I don't think you need that weight, mate, but you might. Well, there's the back, yeah. Certainly, if you hit the jack, that will fly off.
Draw that box.
Yep.
Does it change your shot, mate? You're just looking to get the brown on the jack, but we'll move long enough. Nowhere near his weight, just wait you first. Right, ignore that. Ignore that, mate. Next time. Yeah.
Back and draw or stop forehand? Stop back and draw anyway.
I would play
Play the draw.
play the draw. If that brown at the
Try and
back
tuck the brown round it.
turns over a bit.
Yeah, again, there's no change. You've got to make contact with that brown and ease it onto the white somehow. I think you're too quick, mate.
Still drawing that same shot.
Put on mate. Yeah, we're 5 down now. Well, no, definitely 4 outs here. That shot's there, I just think you... Yeah, I mean, you can't play the backhand and play this and get set. It's either, or damn if you do, damn if you don't. You're either playing the backhand, with the fact that you've played 2 runners at that. If you hit that brown fat, we will be reducing. That's the guarantee. Hang on! Ah, you can't bend. Oh. Well, you've saved, I think, certainly only 3. You saved 1. I think.
Oh, you can see that.
Driving this.
I think so.
Yeah. Worth the risk of 4-0 down, innit?
Yeah, that'll make it 4 as long as you do that.
Too wide, sorry.
Yep.
2. Go. On short, yeah?
Yeah, bang on short.
Same, yeah? Better, yeah? Shot. So you're either or, you're onto the black either hand, whichever you see. Prefer forehand because you can use the brown. So if you want play back and play. Good area. Yeah, well done.
See if we still shot away.
I'm not sure.
I think I need to cover the brown. I need to get a wood over this hand.
Yeah,
Yeah.
whatever it is, doesn't matter. Yeah, good hope.
Well, that went okay, didn't it?
Yeah, but catch the ground and the
Right, the rest. Finish all this. Unlucky.
right now.
Dead draw, we'll try
Yeah,
and get it
I
behind
think
the
your
jump.
line was really good before.
Doesn't bend if you get on that eyesight, does it?
Lucky, weight was good again.
Just narrow on the back hand.
Black card.
Yeah.
Yeah. Brown, brown. Yeah. Flip to slice the black out the head, yeah?
Yeah. Good place. Unlucky. It's a good place now, though.
Obviously, we'll have that. That weight's certainly strong enough. Get down, get down, get down.
So this is your shot.
Forehand draw.
Yeah. Forehand draw. If you rest the black, it's
Yeah,
wide, I
I
think.
certainly don't think we need this weight on there. We've got one black in. I'll be confident, even
It
if
should
you
be a
drop
lot
the
lower
ball,
than
we
that.
need 2 seconds in that works. Yeah, better control, maybe a fraction higher.
Yeah, because even if
It's
you're
just hanging, isn't it?
even if you're gliding off on ground, so don't be too wide.
Tighten the line a bit.
Yeah. That's it.
Yeah, tight ball, mate.
Good shot, Neil.
Brown, fat, flicks them out, you'll be left with 2. If you get that brown fat, I reckon you lose them both. Keep it tight, but not stupid weight, you need to control the weight. I think that bend. Up. Down.
Yeah, but it's only a danger if you can get it. why don't you try and put one here? Sit the gap. Yeah. You've got to get exactly the right contact, otherwise it's going to go off kilter. If you get the gap. No, so steady draw, short, in the gap.
I can get to the wide one at the two.
No, he's going to play this shot, isn't he?
Yeah.
He's going to play the attacking shot.
play.
So, round here.
Okay.
Get the inside of the ground now, moving away for 2, possibly 3. High side, up! 3 brown.
3 brown.
Right.
Yeah, well done.
So one of that one.
Yeah, rest of black. I shot. Shot.
Yeah, well played.
Same wood again. The rest of black.
For them 2 browns, mate.
Big cards. Well done. Well played. Shot.
Still looking for the draw to the shot black. Super effort. Yeah, well played.
Draw still. Hold up. Hold up.
I think I was further than that, yeah. Yeah, reverse. Try and draw the brown.
Yeah.
Over to you, buddy.
Yeah,
Speak quick, mate.
Sorry?
good shot.
Yeah. Yeah, just be behind into the cradle of those 3 blacks. great shot.
Yeah, I think you've got to try now to get your chance to clear the shot all the way. If you move the weight, it gives you 2 more goals at it.
Steady. Backhand draw, yeah.
I mean, what's he going to do?
He's overdrawing either hand just to move something. So. I mean, I could just try and front touch it. But I think I'm looking to get maybe 6 inches behind.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Come on, you've got to stick with that hand, mate. You've got to get the weight through this gap and see where it rolls, mate. Yeah. Come on, Neil. Hang on, son. Hang on. Yes. Well, oh, good. You got the last ball, though. Well done.
Try to draw the black just inside.
I think that's your shot.
Yeah.
I'd get 2. I don't see a shot. Don't see a shot. 2. 2 black. Back my way.
Weight's all right. Yeah, it's a little tight.
Come on, get down.
Shot.
Yeah, well done, well done.
Stick with it.
I think stick with it. Look for the gap. A good area.
I think that's the one.
Got a bit out the hand, mate.
Good line again. Nice useful.
Yeah, looking for a little bit of contact on the middle black.
Got to get to the back down, mate.
Yeah, it's still there. Pick it up. Well done.
Got to try and disturb it. You're still really looking for the front wood. Some contact on that.
There would be nice.
Yeah.
And then we go from there. It's either that or stop that hand, really. But I would put an insurance ball in first, where you've got a clear path. You want your centre to start to the line, probably not here. I Ouch.
So it's what you were telling me to do. First shot, move the black at the front.
Onto the front black, yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, nearly 2 to win. You've obviously left it difficult to get to this point.
I think if you just hit that front. If you're down, that hand will spell it and being blind.
Yeah.
Well, it depends what you do. You might have to play that. I can't believe I managed to win 3 times. Yeah, slow start. Unfortunately,
Well, play by weight control. This is my
Up to you, Paul.
No,
Up to you,
not
mate.
that one.
Your black on the run's not a daft one. Drifting across is not a daft one.
Oh, left one.
I like this. I like this a lot. Quite a lot. Well done.
Brilliant.
I can see it, yeah.
Because if that comes up, you actually got extra breath.
Yeah.
Tight forehand there.
Yeah. Yeah. Don't go mad, but let's open it up.
If you're not confident of that, all I'll be doing is,
I think I see
if you
it.
put,
Yeah.
I mean, I'm not like,
No, no, no. It's more
but as long as you need to put enough payload to get that gap, you're not diving in the head.
Yeah, that's. Yeah.
Either that or you've got like that.
Yeah, but inside there, he's gonna have. He's gonna have.
Any move with the jack, I'm not bothered, because as it stands, you can only get one with the jack going that way. You can win the game if the jack comes this way and somehow. So, it's up to you, mate. That's not a bad ball. You didn't get that touch, you would have gotten in the air anyway. It's not a bad ball.
Forehand spring, yeah.
I think so. I think that's a percentage shot.
Take your time, yeah. Get the shot in your hand. Just draw on. Yeah.
think once it, you could have played it out there and it jammed on the ground, and then died what it's doing everything about it. So got it over there.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining us. What would you say? What a wonderful final, would you not agree? How exciting. Thank you so much for joining us here at Potters. We hope you've had a wonderful time. Have you had a great time? Yeah. I won't keep it long, that's just small walks, and then you can go eat again. Okay, thank you to everyone taking part in the competition. This is the 21st year, would you believe, of playing, carrying on and continue. Okay, so thank you to Peter and Martin. Please give a massive round of applause. The organisers of the competition here. Okay, also a record number of attendees, would you believe? 220 attendees this year, so it's a brand new record for them. So give yourself a round of applause for that as well. Hope that may grow more. Hopefully we'll see more people over there. And hope to see you all back next year. Also to say that next year is 1 week later, starting Friday the 31st, January 2025. Hope we see more of you there. Carnival starting, which will be Monday the 21st of October 2024 this year. We hope to see more of you here. Right, okay, then please want to present the winners. If we'd like to. Are you ready, boys? Yeah, we're here. We're here. Gentlemen, if that's come over this way, please. Okay. I'm going to hand you the mic.
Thank you, Brian, and thank you, everybody. What a great final, as Brian suggested. We've already said our thank yous. Brian's reiterated those thank yous, but it has been a brilliant weekend, and we will see you back. But it's time where we give these lovely prizes and also a trophy which has to be kept for 1 year, has to be engraved at the personal cost of the winners because we have no money left. And they have to come back and compete for it in 2025, so they are guaranteed back. If I could just announce the winners of our prizes this year. Now, I mustn't say losing. The semi-finalists from West Bergholt and Thurston, Pat McCarthy and Paul Leach. Please, if you want any photos taken, please do so. Brian's got his best bib and tucker on today, so he would love to be photographed. If anybody has got a camera, which frantically the West Bergholt people are, and the Thurston are coming, they're running. Have a photo. I'm not with you. Well done, old man. And our other semi-finalists from Hellions Bumstead, Darren Wren and Andrew Ginge. Anybody want a photo of Darren? I thought they'd done it again, but it wasn't quite to be a brilliant again performance. They've been here 2 years running, won it last year. First game they've lost is in the final the second year, but they are good players, they're class act. Our runners-up from Sunderland, Michael Layden, and from Brockley, Neil Jolly. I forgot to say that Potters has been extremely generous this year, and they've given us double vouchers because of all the hard work that we put in. I thought they meant they've got to give it to Martin and myself, the extra vouchers, but that's not the case.
Congratulations. Well done. There we go, photographs.
I have to say that during the week we had a number of dropouts, and the man who was probably panicking as much as me was David Danby. David lost his partner because they weren't well enough to attend, but he managed to, I'm not sure how to get him, but he twisted the arm of Neil, and not just did he turn up, they've actually turned up and won it. They will get their prizes, they will retain the trophy. If you can't afford it, David and Neil, please let me know, but otherwise have it engraved, let us have it back for next year, and you can come back and defend it. But from Bluffing, is that right, Bluffing? I got it right. Neil Tuckey and David Danby.
Oh wow, you've got more glasses, David. There you go. One each. Oh no, you get two boxes. Careful, don't forget. There you go. There we go. Thank you. Well done. Congratulations. Oh Jesus. There we are. The box is empty. It's just a box. There you go. Well done.
Thank you very much.
Congratulations.
Once again, big thank you to Brian Graves from the Potters Entertainment team. I'm sure most of you will be in at the show tonight, and I'm sure, Brian, you'll be performing and saying how good the carpet bowlers were.
Oh, absolutely, 100%. Thank you so much for joining us, guys. We hope to see you next year, or this year, actually, in October, and around. Thank you very much. Have a lovely evening. Thank you so much.
Thank you all, and have a safe journey home, and we'll see you, as we always do, on a regular basis. But thank you.